Hello Digibyte holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news, big update of the Digibyte, my friends. What's the current price of DGB coin? What's the price in the DGB coin, my friends? And you know what? In this video, I'm talking about the DGB coin future, my friends. Now this time, my friends, buy more and more DGB coin because you can see here now this time the price change is very badly fast down. The DGB coin Digibyte is very badly fast down, so that is why, my friends, I really want to buy more and more DGB coin, my friends. And absolutely, my friends, if you buy a DGB coin and hold for the 1 month, so you will get a high amount of profit, my friends. Please hold for 1 month DGB coin, you will get a high amount of profit. And that's my personally advice for all the short-term investor, my friends. Short-term investor, buy more and more Digibyte DGB coin if you want to make a good amount of profit, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about DGB coin? Now is time the price of DGB coin is very low, and you know what, it is time I'm feeling very angry to DGB coin, but don't worry, the changes will again positive, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe channel for more news and update videos.